Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to show you coins I would be trading this week. Most coins have been in a downtrend in the past few days. As you can see, if you had entered a trade in any altcoin about last week, you would be in a loss at this current time. The market is right now in a short-term correction, and I'm going to show you exactly the coins I would be trading at this particular time. Coins that are performing better in this market condition. The first coin on this list is Avax. This coin right here, Avalanche, has been doing exceptionally well in the past few days. Currently, it is up slightly. This coin has a max supply of 720 million and a circulating supply of about 220 million. Currently trading on these top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart where I show you my potential entry and my take profit. This is the price chart of Avax. As you can see, this is a very good price formation. This coin keeps making higher lows and this is a bullish setup. So to me, that's why I'm going to be trading this to the upward direction. My entry will be at this particular level right here at the $102 level. As you can see, this coin is already taking off as I am making this video. And to show you my take profits, I would have to do a fib extension from the top to the bottom. My first take profit would be at around the $120 level. And also, if the price goes back down to the $1.2 level, I would continue to accumulate. And I could continue to add more to my position as long as the price is below the $106.5 level right here. So when it breaks above this 106.5, then I would have to take my profits at the $120 level. This is exactly my trade setup. And my stop loss would be at this level right here at the $97.5 level. So this is where I would put my stop loss. And this is exactly my trade setup. One of the reasons why I am entering this position is because if we bring out the stochastic RSI, right here, this is the stochastic RSI on the 4-hour time frame. Just right now, there was a cross to the upside, and that's why I am confident in entering this position, and I could take my profit at a higher level. So this is very good for me. And also, not every trade is 100%. Try to manage your risk by putting a stop loss to cut your losses. If you are enjoying this content so far, try give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot, and I would really appreciate it if you do so. Now let's go over to the next coin on this list. This is the second coin I would be trading this week, Loopring, and currently it is trading at around $2.44 with a max supply at around 1.3 billion. And currently, Loopring is trading on these top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart and show you my exact entry on this coin. Right here, this is the price chart of Loopring. As you can see, it has been in a corrective phase. And remember, in my last video, I said that you should take profit at the top right here. And at that exact time was when the coin started correcting to the downside. If you haven't watched that video, I will put the link up there right now. You can see that if you are taking profit at the top right here, you can get a chance to re-enter on this trade at this exact level. If I was to place a buy order, take note that we are on the 4-hour time frame. This is exactly where I would place my buy order. Now this is going to be an easy trade for me because I can choose to enter a buy order at the current price and my stop loss at the last candlestick low on the 4-hour time frame. Now this is exactly what I would do. My entry would be at the current price right here and my stop loss would be at this exact level right here. This is a very good trade setup. Now let's do a quick 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Right here, I'll drag this up to my stop loss. Alright, so I'm going to do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. This shows that at this particular level, at around $3 is where I would take my first profit at this particular level right here. So this is exactly what I am going to be doing. My entry would be at around $2.4. Now let's bring out the oscillators to know the current momentum in this price chart. Now this is the stochastic RSI. You can see that right now it is pointing to the upward direction. This shows that the momentum is to the upside, and that's exactly why I am entering this trade at this particular time. Now let's go over to the next coin on this list. Right here, Decentraland. This coin is currently trading at around $3.94 with a total supply of around $2.1 billion and a circulating supply of around $1.8 billion. This coin is currently trading on top exchanges. Now let's go over to the price chart. Now this is the price chart of this Decentraland token, and right now let me show you my entry on this trade. I will do a quick Fibonacci retracement from the bottom right here to the top. Alright, I am going to wait for this coin to drop to the 0.618 fib level right here at around $3.7. This is exactly where I would like to enter in on this coin. Now let me show you my exact take profit and my stop loss. At 2.49 is where I would place my stop loss. My take profit would be at a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. If I should put this here, I would have to drag this. Alright, so at a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, I would have to wait for the price to come down to this level, and once the price touches the $3.7 region, this is exactly where I will put my buy order. Now this is where I will take my first profit, understand? And you need to know that once the price starts closing 4-hour candles above this $4.1 level, then I will show you where I will take my second profit on this trade. At the $4.7 region, this is where I will take my second profit. The reason why I am going to wait before I enter on this trade is because if I bring out the stochastic RSI, you would see that right here, the RSI just had a cross to the downside. So I am going to wait a bit for the RSI to cool off before entering my trade. Let me show you another coin that I have been monitoring over the past few weeks. This coin I am talking about is Cadena. Right here, as you can see, this is the coin, and it is currently trading at $20 with a max supply of around 1 billion and a circulating supply of 157 million. If you look at the price chart, you will see that this coin has been going up in a straight line, and this is one of the strong coins out there that has been performing in the past few weeks. So for this coin, I am going to wait for a possible trade setup, and I would keep you all updated in my next video. If you enjoyed this video so far, you should please give it a like and try subscribe to the channel for more contents like this. This is going to be it, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.